Hey y'all, appreciate you stopping in to view another one of my videos here, but actually this is a video by SheetRockGirl, a great friend of mine that I've met on here, and I think she's one fantastic young lady. What the video is actually about here is this is her mother's home on Jersey Shore there, and when Sandy came through, it kind of tore up their house pretty bad, and so basically she's been down there when she can get away during the week, and every weekend she's down there working. And I tell you what, guys, I love her work ethic. She's not afraid to roll up her sleeves and get dirty right along with the rest of us. So basically, she's been hanging sheetrock, drywall, and mudding and taping and demolition and like I said, just about everything, man. She gets right in there. She's a go-getter, and I don't know many women that'll do that. My sister-in-law Tammy, she's a hard worker. She gets right in there with my brother and lays tile. And Lori, she's not scared of hard work either, man. So those are three great gals I know. So anyway, guys, what this video is going to be about is those units we're looking at here, that Train and that Lennox. They got a little flood water in them, and I'm sure it was mixed with sewage and everything else. So I actually got her to get some Alka-Brite coil cleaner, the brown stuff, and it's pretty daggone strong, but it's not it's alkaline based. It's not acid based, so it should be safe for them. So, but anyway, guys, basically, like I said, she's going to be cleaning these units and demonstrating how to clean them, and you know, she's she's a pretty funny gal. I like all her videos, but nonetheless, for her safety, I kind of went overkill with it. I actually had her go to both thermostats, turn both thermostats to the off position. Then I had her go up to the second floor, and she pulled down her drop-down stairs that lead into the attic, and got up there with her air handlers up there, and the floor was plywooded off so she could safely navigate inside the attic there, and I actually had her turn the breakers off at each air handler. After that, guys, I actually had her go to her marked panel and had her turn off the circuit breakers to the outside unit, and then I had her pull the disconnects and close the doors on the disconnect boxes, and actually put the disconnects in a safe location. But nonetheless, guys, and I actually, and I had her check her filters and made sure she put new filters in, and so she's pretty much, well, we'll let the video take care of all that. So if y'all don't mind watching, to no further ado, here's SheetRockGirl, guys. Alright, thanks so much.
Okay, I finally got the top off. No thanks to that screw that was in the back. Now it's time to vacuum all the crap that's inside there. Well, I almost got decapitated, so I'm going to have to be a little more careful. Time to stop that fan from going around. Yes, baby. Voila. And cover up the wires. This doesn't mean we're friends now, okay? Lennox was a problem to get open. I cheated, and I got a guy to do it for me. This one is very functified inside. I was talking to Fritz. Do not mess with me. I've got a coil gun and I know how to use it. Well, I don't know how to use it, but I'm going to find out. Kind of windy out here. I'm going inside. Time to functified material out of there. Time to let these babies dry out while I go to... Where am I going? Where am I going? Wah! 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 Here comes the moment of truth. I'm about to put the disconnect thingy back into the disconnect box and see if she turns on. I think I just put it upside down. Okay, here we go. You said to wait maybe 5 minutes. Oh no, I know what I didn't do yet. I didn't turn the circuit breakers on. Yeah, I'm just a stupid sheetrock girl. What do I know about air conditioning? Let's try this again. Come on, baby. Oh my God! Saved! Saved! Fuck you, Sandy! You didn't get our air conditioner. Okay, moment of truth. Patient Lennox. Unbelievable. Unreal. Thank you. Thank you, Fritz, from the bottom of my heart. Just went inside and there's cold air blasting from all vents. And it's freezing out now. I'm going to let them run for half an hour and then I'm going to whine and dine. Yeah, this took me all day. What would have taken my friend Fritz 1 hour. Okay. This is for my friend Fritz, who made me such a happy sheetrock girl today. He took the time out to email me literally 800 times that I pestered him today of how to open up, take apart, clean, and reassemble 2 huge, monstrous air conditioner, 2.5 ton units outside at the Jersey Shore that had gotten pretty badly, what do you call it? Oh, those tops were heavy, man, and a bitch to put back on. But anyway, I digress. Yeah, so Sandy, we thought, had killed them, and thanks to Fritz, they came back alive, and here's to you, my friend. Ah. Now, where's my ribeye, boy?
I'm taking a peek at SheetRockGirl's video on here, her clean on her outdoor units, her train condenser, and her Lennox condenser. And I actually think she did one fantastic job. I'm really proud of you, SheetRockGirl. I think you did real good. And I wanted to also thank you for the kind words that you sent me. I really appreciate that. And you weren't bugging me whatsoever. And you can feel free to call on me 24/7, anytime whatsoever. But, and like I said, I got them ribeyes on the grill waiting on you. But, y'all come on now. But, anyway, guys, the train, I think that's going to fare okay. However, like the Lennox right here, that thing's right at, I believe, 20 years old. And if you watch any of Zach's videos on here, he's got some fantastic videos. He lives down there on the coast. He lives out there by my uncle in Wilmington, or right outside of Wilmington. And he actually goes on a lot of them that you see where the coils, the outdoor condenser coils, are just ate up. And basically we call that like coil rot. And what that's from is from the salt air and everything getting on it and just eventually eating them alive. But hers is getting in that type of shape. So I'm pretty sure she can get another season or two out of it. I'm hoping she can. She said everything in the house is cooling real good and everything's functioning correctly. So, but anyway, guys, she was having fun when she shot that video. She thoroughly vacuumed those units out. She thoroughly cleaned those units. The video you seen was her having fun and just demonstrating what she was doing. Okay, so if any of y'all have to have anything nasty to say, it's going to get you blocked with the quickness. Okay, I ain't going to tolerate none of that. I think she's a really nice lady. So if you got something nasty to say, just move along. But anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all run over and check out SheetRockGirl now. All right, y'all. Okay, we'll talk at you soon. Bye.